Why isn't "I'm sorry" enough after you feel like you've blown it, in some conversation or something done that, your partner wasn't happy about? Well, here's why just "I'm sorry" doesn't work. You don't know what you're apologizing for. You haven't listened to your partner's narration of the story of their experience of what happened. How did they feel when you said X, Y, and Z that was hurtful? How did they feel or think? What did they think about when you forgot to meet them on time at a restaurant? Lots of different feelings that come up when a partner does something that renders you unhappy. Well, do you know exactly what your partner felt and why they felt that way? How that tied into their history? How other people had treated them? Do you know how that may have triggered their own trauma or really ancient feelings that started for them in their childhood? If you don't know those things, you don't know what you're apologizing for. So "I'm sorry" rings empty, because there's no substance that's really contained in that "I'm sorry." So you've got to talk about what your partner experienced and what you experienced, because you also deserve to be understood too in the event that happened. And then "I'm sorry" takes on much more meaning and much more healing power.